Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how you can get an API key from Google AI Studio. This key lets you connect your projects to Google's AI tools quickly and easily. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to this website, aistudio.google.com. Hit enter. Once you're here, I want you to click on the Get API key at the bottom left corner of the page. Click on it. Then you will see an option to create a new API key. Click on it. Then easily give your key a name. It could be anything. So project one, I'm just going to name this project one. Then select the project you want it linked to. So you can import, create a new one, or select an existing project you already have. So I'm going to select this one, create key. Then after a few seconds, your API key will appear. You can click on the key to view its details right over here. You can copy the API key now. You can also rename over here, rename and delete your key whenever you want to make some changes. Then you can easily use this for any of your projects involving Google AI Studio. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. I hope you found this video very helpful.